Ladies and gentlemen, let us discuss energy psychology, epigenetic perception, and environment. How does it affect our cell? Our cells, these cells are covered by skin. So it is our skin, and cell are inside this skin. So how does this cell know what is happening outside? How does it interact outside the world? Answer is very simple. It receives internal as well as external signal. Let's compare this with computer program. We are running computer, and computer is just like a brain, and we type certain things. We are writing something. I write something, live, and computer change it into love. I love, and I write, when I type. So while typing, I write live to love. So what happens? Your computer will automatically change live to love, because whatever already, in the dictionary of the computer, it will automatically take. The thing is that computer is just like your subconscious. It's just a subconscious machine, and in your subconscious, whether you are seeing beauty, or it's raining going on, or it's a very good atmosphere or season, whatever going on, but your perception will interpret according to your experience. For example, there is a raining going on. One person, it is taking it just like an enjoyment, but one person is weeping. So the person is weeping, he is in the same environment. The person who is enjoying raining, he is also in the same environment. What does make difference? The difference is that how your experience, your perception, interpreting it. So it's totally up to individual how he or she is going to interpret. That is why epigenetic and energy psychology work. We must learn about energy psychology and epigenetic. Whatever is happening, it is according to what you are going to interpret. You will interpret according to your experience. Your interpretation will be ultimately expressed. So how you are going to interpret it, that totally depends on the person who is experiencing. So the thing is that environment and our nervous system, it receive internal and external signal. So for example, if you write certain word in dictionary, I write in a dictionary, I like amygdala. Sometime I write in a dictionary and it is not available. Dictionary offer you to add this word in the dictionary. So once you add this word in the dictionary, then your dictionary will understand, your computer dictionary will understand this is a word. Same way, whatever you don't have in your subconscious, whether you give data to through your conscious mind, your subconscious will just remove it. It will not accept it. It will mold it whatever it wants. Even it will answer you that we don't have information. So even it will show errors. Same way, whatever happening to you, whatever incidents, circumstances, and atmosphere, environment you have, you are going to interpret according to your experience. It will be based on your experience. You will give meaning. You are going to give meaning to this environment, to this atmosphere which is surrounding you or which is occurring to you. Even they are occurring to you, you are going to interpret and giving meaning according to your experience, based on your internal and external data you are receiving. So your nervous system, it receives data through internal and external system. It receives, and ultimately whatever in the subconscious, it will give meaning to it. I have already given you example of computer dictionary. You write certain words, sometime it say it is not available, sometime it shows error, sometime it offers that you should add in the dictionary. Once you add, it started working. Same way, in your subconscious mind, sometimes you need to add data in your subconscious mind, and you consciously keep on adding, and ultimately when you on and on adding, ultimately it started functioning. So our mind, our brain is just like a computer. It wants you should add in your program. If you want to utilize the potential of your subconscious mind according to your choice, then you have to add something according to your choice, so that to get good experience out of it, to get good interpretation out of this. Whatever happening in front of the person, some are enjoying, some are in depressed. While listening to some song, some people are depressed. While listening to same song, some people are happy. So maybe they are having different experience. The person who is listening to the same song, he is depressed, he is having tragic experience with this song. The person who is having a beautiful experience, joyful experience, he is having joyful experience with the same song. So it all depends on the perception. Environment controls our gene, but environment is according to environment will be interpreted according to different perception. Your perception to the same environment can be different, because your interpretation and somebody's interpretation will be different. My interpretation to specific song will be different, somebody else interpretation to same song will be different. So it all depends on the perception, how you are going to take things. If you want to consciously add, then you have to work consciously. Stay blessed.